Hello, this is the second video lecture for XY matrix. So go to your example 13.3 XY matrix in action, which is included in your textbook, and click on your second spreadsheet of Excel. This example shows a matrix for a service process. On the left, you have input of A through G, which is 7 different input, and their associated correlations with 5 different outputs, such as vendor selection, component selection, all the way to ship to location. Also, you can note that each of the output is provided an importance weight. For example, between 1 and 10, and for example, component selection is the most important output, while the ship to location is the least important output. Then the relationship weights, these are the relationship weights. Relationship weights are provided or placed in the matrix, and these are also multiplied. So this practice is pretty simple. What you can do is you can multiply this input by output. Then this should be done horizontally first. So go to here, and your input A times your output vendor selection. But we want to fix this there by adding a dollar sign before and after character. Plus input A times component selection. Again, we want to fix this there. Times input A times internal lead time. Fix this there. Times this is G23 times cost, and fix this there. Time plus, and H23 times ship to location, and fix that there. Then click. Then we copy this formula to all the way to input G. Then the total is calculated, and simply we find which input is most important based on the total score. The highest total indicate the most important input. In this case, I highlighted already here, input D and input F. These are the highest score and pretty similar, pretty close. So this we also provide a rank. This is rank 1 and rank 2. And the next one is input 3, rank 3. And then rank 4. And rank 5. 6, and then 7. So your conclusion would be input D and F are the most important input, and they need to be studied closely. Sometimes we just select the most important input. If rank 1 and rank 2 are not that close, but the wide gap, then we just select only one input. In this case, input F and D are pretty close. So input D and F are the most important inputs. So this practice is pretty simple. So you just provide calculating your total score, and you provide the rank, and you find out the important input. So practice other questions, such as in your textbook you will find question 5 and question 6. These are pretty similar questions, and you will see the similar question in your quiz. Thank you.